Hey folks, we just got a trailer load from our local Scruggs Lumberyard. What we have on here is our Onyx shower pan and our Onyx shower walls. Now, the thing is we're not ready for the shower walls yet, but we do got to get that shower pan in there for the master shower. So we're going to go and get ready to load that into the house, and we're going to install that here in a second. But we're going to store these shower walls in our storage container. So my son's out here helping. We're going to put these shower walls in here. That way we'll store them. We probably won't use them for about another month until we get all the drywall all in and all the painting done. So appreciate you guys staying tuned. If you guys don't mind, click those follow buttons, click the share, click all those buttons there, guys. I appreciate it. Those panels might look small, but they're actually pretty dang large, especially those big ones. Those are going to be the full wall panels, like for the master shower, and in the back of the upstairs guest bathroom as well too. And side walls and everything else like that. But we got all those in there. They're going to be locked up in the storage container. Now the next big thing we have is our big shower pan right down here, and this is going to go in the master shower. We're going to take this over to the house, and we're going to hopefully get some friends here to help us and get this thing installed tonight. So stay tuned. You're going to keep pushing it and we'll lift it up.
Okay. Now we got to go up and off.
Okay.
Let's watch out, let's watch out.
Lift it up and then somebody's sliding it down. No, you want us to flip it? Felicity just
I
pull
was going
it?
to lean this against that wall.
Or Felicity can just rip it up.
So we can control the bottom only.
Oh, okay. Watch your fingers.
Let's watch out.
You can have to control the bottom.
Okay, ready?
Cam, just hang it up.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hurry up, Felicity. Ouch! That's my leg.
Okay, well, do you want me to hurry up or do you
Your
want
way,
me
Dick.
I know. I got to get
Watch your fingers.
That's why I say it's on that little ledge, but it's going to have to go in some more.
No.
Watch your fingers.
What was that?
That was me thing. So now the thing we get to do is get it all the way against this back wall.
Yes, we do.
Okay, Felicity, just get that out of the way.
So nobody steps on it.
What are we doing?
We're gonna just keep the bottom. You wait till everybody gets over here to help. He doesn't want nobody stepping on it. Plus, if you put it there, somebody's gonna step there and they're gonna go
I
flying.
understand.
So we're going to.
Here, I'll go on this side. You can stay here, Dylan. We're gonna push the bottom in. Okay, watch my head. Don't push the top, please. Let's just push the bottom and we'll leave the top out. You got all these valves and stuff that you gotta get to.
What?
Can you use your foot there?
Oh, we did kind of more.
You did crack it?
Yeah.
The lip
Gosh,
behind,
dang it.
the lip behind the wall.
Yes. No, it's not. It's the outside lip that's showing. There, just lean like that. There we go. Now let's see if we can push that bottom. Okay, Nick, you go your way. Step on 2 or 4. Let's get the bottom in there. Okay, like that. Okay, now we can start coming down. And then you guys can come through these studs.
And push back.
Nick, you have to come over here. Nick, come over here and help. You're gonna have to. Dylan, can you sleep through that?
Let's
side?
move.
Patrick,
Let's
yeah,
move.
and then you're gonna sleep through the side stud right here, okay? Me and Nick will catch it on this side.
It's on this stud here. It's going to Now I'm stuck with this.
You get the center. There you go.
We good?
Yeah. Okay, Nick. We're gonna, and then you guys will help on the side. Try not to knock these blocks down behind you. You want straight up and down. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah. So just Dylan, why don't you go and get out the side? Patrick, you're on the side, and you guys just help. Just put your hands in the middle of the stud, and then me and Nick will hold this side. You guys just watch that side.
Push it back. Push the back wall again.
Just let it come slowly down. Slowly.
If it comes, hits this wall, it should push itself back.
Yeah, it should. Okay, watch.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, now we're on the stud. Okay. Whoops, sorry.
So you're not going to have on it.
Hey guys, we got the shower pan all done. We had a little bit of a boo-boo over here on this one corner. We'll have to figure out some kind of epoxy glue to get that cleaned up on there, but it's going to be behind the shower thing, but we'll get it cleaned up. And another boo-boo, we dropped the little metal tightener rod down into the drain. We're gonna have to get some magnets. We have a little bit of magnet there to try to get that, but we're gonna try to get some more and see if we can get this thing popped out of there. But hey, we got the shower pan in. I appreciate you guys following along, and hopefully we'll just keep doing it, and hopefully we get our inspection done here pretty soon. Until next time, God bless you all.